Canada kicks off December with its biggest PNP Express entry draw of 2025. December has started with a major development in Canadian immigration. IRCC has just carried out the largest provincial nominee program express entry draw of 2025 on 8 December, and it's a big moment for anyone relying on a provincial nomination to get their PR. If you've been watching express entry patterns this year, this update adds an interesting "What just happened?" IRCC invited 1,123 candidates through a PNP-only round, the highest number issued in any nomination-based draw this year. This happens to be the 22nd PNP Express entry draw of 2025, and it surpassed every previous PNP round in size. Because provincial nominees automatically receive 600 CRS points, the cutoff is always high. But even with that, the scale of this round stands out. Draw summary, bullet points. Draw date, 8 December. Draw type, PNP, Provincial Nominee Program. Total ITAs, 1,123. CRS cutoff, 729. Profile creation cutoff, 5th March, 2025, before 5:10 a.m. UTC. Largest PNP Express entry draw of 2025. PNP draw number 22 of the year. Why this draw matters? This large-scale round shows how central provincial nominations have become to Canada's long-term labour strategy. IRCC is clearly leaning on provinces to identify talent that fits their economic needs. It also reinforces a theme we've seen throughout the year. Express entry is active, but nominations and category-based selections are driving most of the action. Express entry in 2025, the year in motion. Across 2025, Express entry has been extremely dynamic. We've seen all kinds of rounds: CEC, French language, healthcare specific, education based, and the occasional trades draw. Total invitations issued so far have climbed to 95,599 ITAs, and the draw frequency tells its own story. PNP, 22 draws. CEC, 13. French language, 8. Healthcare, 6. Education, 2. Trades, 1. PNP rounds consistently led the pack, which aligns with Canada's push for region-specific immigration. Who benefited most this year? A quick look at the numbers makes the priorities clear. French language category, 42,000 ITAs. CEC, 24,850. Healthcare, 13,500. PNP, 9,376. Education, 3,500. Trades, 1,250. This highlights Canada's emphasis on filling healthcare shortages, supporting French-speaking communities, empowering provinces, and selecting candidates with Canadian work experience. What this means for future applicants? This new PNP draw sends a strong signal. If you're aiming for PR and your CRS score falls short of CEC thresholds, provincial nomination pathways could make all the difference. It also shows that IRCC is keeping momentum through the final weeks of 2025. High CRS ranges are likely to continue, so category-based draws and PNP options will remain critical for many applicants. Conclusion: December has just begun, and we're already seeing major movement in the immigration landscape. If this pace continues, more updates could follow before the year wraps up. Stay alert, keep exploring provincial pathways, and position yourself for the opportunities that are clearly opening up. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.